We have first order differential equation. Why first order? Because we have first derivative of y with respect to x. So first, to solve this differential equation, let me copy our example. We have 3 times dy over dx is equal x squared. We have to get all x's to one side and y to the other side. So, and we will treat dy over dx like fraction. So first I will multiply both sides by dx. So denominator we can reduce, and we have 3 dy is equal x squared dx. Now when we have x's on one side and y on the other side, we can integrate. We have integral of 3 dy is equal integral of x squared dx. On the left side we have integral with respect to y, and on the right side we have integral with respect to x. Next we have integral of 3 dy. So this is, we have to copy 3, and integral of dy is y. Constant we only add on one side. So this is equal, and integral of x squared with respect to x is x cubed over 3 plus c. We will divide both sides by 3 to get only on the left side y. So we will have 3y divided by 3 equals x cubed over 3 plus c, everything over 3. So 3 and 3 we can reduce, and we have y is equal x cubed over 3 divided by 3, so will be x cubed over 9, and we have plus c over 3, because c is constant, so we can replace, for example, that c over 3 is equal c1. This is our arbitrary constant. So we have y is equal, we can rewrite that as 1 over 9x cubed plus c1. This is my solution.